Oh, where to go? On a divine, looking for the lead. Telenovela for the outside. Showing speed now is Masagarang Ani. It's now Masagarang Ani, followed by Telenovela Ana Divine. And rushing up now, Shining Crown now for the outside. And followed by Jack Show King. Para sa Amin is also there together with John's Music. And going along for the first turn, it's Masaganang Ani, leads by some 2 lengths, followed by Telenovela. And moving up now the outside, Shining Crown and Jack Show King. And into the back they travel, Masaganang Ani, Jack Show King moving up now to take the leader, and moving up in between horses, Shining Crown, and dropping in third is Masaganang Ani. Down in fourth now by some 3 lengths, Best Kept Secret. Para sa Amin Telenovela is dropping out, and here comes Ana Divine. Inside the last 600, Shining Crown, a long shot, leads by length, followed by Jack Show King. Best Kept Secret now coming into the picture. Para sa Amin, joining them now, Masaganang Ani, as they hit the final turn. Jack Show King regains the lead, followed by Shining Crown, and rushing up is Para sa Amin, Best Kept Secret, and John's Music. Jack Show King, Para sa Amin on the outside, and finally it's going to be Para sa Amin. Jack Show King, Best Kept Secret, close 13, Masaganang Ani, and John's Music.
Sakto yung